Good morning, Frizzy parents. And this is like take 5 of this video today, so let's hope that it works. And hey to my Frizzlets too. Let's see if Bear Fluff will stay off my keyboard and out from in front of the camera today. Let's try one more time to create a tutorial on how to turn in your work. Now, I'm going to click on I've on my work, just got to double check. Popping it up. Yes, I went through. I did some annotating. Oh no, I forgot to answer some questions. So I need to go up here, click on Draw, and then make sure that I have, and these are not necessarily the right question answers. I'm just highlighting, and then I realize, oh wait a minute, Miss Bruce does not know if this is A or B. So what I need to do is erase it and make sure that Miss Frisbee can tell if it's A or B. It might help if you use the pencil instead of the highlighter. Okay, so everything is good. I look up my little cloud. Sync status has a check mark side of it. So I'm good to go. I'm ready to turn this in. I hit close, and then all I do is hit turn. Because as long as the little check mark is next to the cloud, ooh, yay, little rocket sign. As long as the check mark is next to the cloud, that means that everything is synced, everything is there, and when you click turn in, it will, everything will be turned in, and it's already linked to your class notebook. That's why I did it that way this week. Now, one other way that people are doing it, because some people are struggling with different devices and that kind of thing, is they're a print, and because some people just prefer to write on pencil and paper. So what they're doing is they're printing it out from the initial link, the original document, because if you print it out from them, sometimes where I've had to do screenshots, it doesn't always come out in big enough font and that kind of thing. So they are taking a picture, and what they are doing is they are uploading a picture to me. Now, instead of emailing that to me, students, it should be on your computer. Your parents can save it to your computer. Or if you're working from an iPad, you can actually take a picture of it with your iPad. You would just click on Add Work. And it asks you what kind of work you want to add. I want to add a new file. And let's go to Documents. Oh, excuse me. Up from my bad. If you save it in your cloud, that's where you would go. Okay, I will just click on the little egg there. It uploaded it. I tell it I'm done. Of course, you would click on your document. And then I just click on it again. And then Miss Frisbee, whenever she goes through, checks your work, I will be able to see that you have actually uploaded there. Now, students, if you're wanting to communicate with me, you're more than welcome to click on the chat box where we have messages going through. A lot of people have already commented it. You have to remember that everybody sees those. So they did turn messaging off from Central Office to be able to talk back and forth. We used to have that option in here. It's a safety precaution for students. So what you would do is just click on your OneNote. It's a little slow. There it goes. And double click. Oops. Well, hello. Goodness, it's not letting me. Hang on. Let's scroll on down to here. Well, pooh. Guess what? Miss Frisbee runs into problems too, just like you guys. Usually, if you just double click, it pops up a text box, but it's not doing that. It could be because I've turned it in, would be my guess. I could be wrong. Let's go back. Hey, let's undo turn in and see if that fixes it. Oh, look, yes. There we go. It's fixed. You say, hey, Ms. Frisbee, blah, 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 and tell what you're worried about and that kind of thing. The only thing that I ask is that if you do it like this, got my check mark right there, click turn in. If you do it like that, make sure that you do send me a note in the post. Just type in down here. You would say, you push the shift key and the @ sign, and then you would put in my name and click me, and then that will, I can actually get an email notification when it's an @me, and so type in and just say, Miss Frisbee, I sent you a note in my class notebook. That way I know that I need to double check your notebook, because most of the time if you upload a picture or or something, I may not necessarily check your class notebook. I'll go to one location mainly because I'm checking everybody's work. So until I kind of get into the flow of this, it's a little more difficult for me to remember to check both places. So just send me a note. That way I know where it is. As always, make sure you ask any questions. Each of those of you who have asked questions in the stream that we have here, the little post that we can do, your parents are more than welcome to email. Always, parents, ask me questions. That's why I'm here. Thanks, y'all. And I've got to get back to my emails and some feedback that I still haven't finished from last week because that was a little bit disorganized. So I'm still working on it. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.